Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Hoes still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. Ooh, it's my time. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, need me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, need me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile.
All right, y'all, I gotta give you guys the same disclaimer. We having some work done on the house, so if you hear any knocking, child, that's us trying to get our house together. Okay, definitely check out my blog for more details and stuff about that. But yeah, just bear with us. Okay, just bear with me. Alright, y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Ashimary Hair. Shout out to you, Ashimary, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. Now, honey, I always struggle with their name, but honey, the company always come through with the come through. And they're coming through with a discount, extra 25% off. And you can use my code EM25 to cop this unit, girl. Use that code. Okay, so the details of this unit, it says customized blonde balayage on brown hair, transparent 13x4 lace frontal wig, body wave, 250% density, and 26 inches. 26 inches, girl. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the site and get more details and specs on this particular unit. Girl, I don't know, but I think I'm gonna have to tell them the link that they gave me is going to the site instead of the wig, which is sometimes an issue. Sometimes it's just that people don't see it, but because usually they'll have the store link and the link to the wig like right there together. But child, I'm clicking on it, and I clicked on it several times and it's going to the actual site instead of this wig, so I'm gonna have to tell them to change that. But y'all, those are all the details and specs on this one that I am wearing. Okay, now to me it looked like this unit would have been worn in a middle part, but I decided to do a C because it is a 13x4, and you guys know what I be saying about 13x4s. Now this color, y'all, get into this color, girl. Okay, your girl is serving Barbie. All right. Your girl is serving Barbie. I love this color. It says it's blonde on brown, so but it's giving me that really good ashy sort of feel, and I love a good ashy color. Like, I love a good ash blonde. It's giving everything that needs to be gave. Okay, this color is light. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes with this particular unit, I received none of the things. I also did not have to bleach the knots. I did not have to tweeze old girl. I just cut the lace and plopped old girl on my head. Okay, I did put my bronzer on there. Cut the lace, put my bronzer on, and applied old girl to my head. And then I curled just this part. And I also, you guys know, I added my layers, but yeah, that is it. That is all. And as far as shedding and tangling goes, there are none of the things. That's not to say at some point old girl won't. Well, no. Do it, shed. Honestly, y'all, I don't think I've seen, I expected it to shed, but honestly, I don't think it has. And I got on black. I don't know. Maybe I'll see some later. I don't know. But it's definitely going to shed at some point. It is blonde hair. It is really long. I expect it to shed and tangle at some point. I'm just saying straight out of the packaging, old girl's doing none of the things. And as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it leans more towards big head friendly than not, but I think if you have a smaller head, you can make it work. But honey, I only got the head that's on my shoulders, and it's an average head. Like, I wear an average cap size, so I can only speculate when it comes to that. So girl, do with that what you want to do with it. Okay, honey, do with that what you want to do with it. And that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. The only con that I could think of, say it with me, people in the back, say it with me. The only con that I could personally think of is that it's a 13x4, which is why I had to do the C part. And then also, because of the lighter blonde tracks that these type of units have, you have to be really careful because they can be very, very noticeable. So those are gonna be my cons with this unit. I ain't gonna hold you, sis. I ain't gonna hold you, sis. The pros are endless. The color, let's start there. The color is everything. I like that it's pre-tweezed. I like how this lace is blending into my head, in my scalp, in my everything. Love that for me. The length, the texture, the way the hair feels, the density. Child, the pros are endless. Okay, the pros are endless with this unit. I kid you not. Kid you not. Yes, I would obviously recommend this wig. Honestly, I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with y'all. I would recommend almost any wig, any wig that you've seen me review from this particular company, I would recommend. They come through with the come through, honey, okay? As far as affordable companies go, right now, this company may be my number one. I ain't gonna hold you. So I would definitely recommend you guys just check out something. Just check out something from them. I do not think you will be disappointed. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4", but ain't budding. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, comment down below. Let me fix this because it's covering up my bra straps. Yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Let me know if you think it's a look, it's a vibe, it is all of the things. Sound off down below in the comments. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, we'll have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Ashimary, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, what you doing with your life? Click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love ups next time. Bye.
Completely got every style.